In this tutorial, you're going to learn how to view and interact with your online books. Let's begin by pointing out that we are now located on the Content tab. The Content tab comprises all of the books that comprise our digital library. In this library, I have 2 books. To view your books, simply navigate your cursor to the book and click on it. You will be taken to the book's table of contents. The chapter list is located on the left-hand side of the screen. To select a chapter, simply click on it. A link to the content of the book will appear in the middle of the page under Lesson Contents. To view the content of the book, click on the link that says Digitales Kursbuch. You will now see your digital edition. Annotation tools and navigation tools are located in the toolbar at the top of the screen. To turn the page, click on the navigation arrows to the left and right. Your textbook's audio and video can be played by clicking on the links. To go back, click on the button in the top of the screen that says Close. Various other resources may be available to you as well, depending on your product. To return to the table of contents, navigate to the X located in the top right corner. To go back to your library, click on the X once more.